What's the meaning of Antarctic Circle? Antarctic Circle. Antarctic Circle. Antarctic Circle. Antarctic Circle. Antarctic Circle.
The Antarctic Circle is an imaginary line of latitude around the Earth, situated in the southern hemisphere at 66.5 degrees south of the equator. It marks the southernmost point at which the sun is visible on the winter solstice and invisible on the summer solstice. The area within the Antarctic Circle experiences at least one day of complete darkness or complete daylight each year. This region includes the continent of Antarctica, as well as surrounding waters and islands. It serves as an important marker for climatologists and geographers studying the Earth's polar regions.